In Qlik Cloud, you can design HTML reports that can be embedded into emails and web pages. To get started, in your application, use the drop-down menu in the navigation bar and select Reporting. Switch to the Templates tab, click Create New, and select HTML Template. Give the HTML report a name, and then click Create. The HTML Designer opens, and you can start creating your report. First, we're going to add an H1 tag and insert the report title. If you are embedding the HTML report in an email, you can use recipient tags, which will be replaced in the output. In this case, we will use the groups tag, which will be replaced by the team name. Now let's add an H2. This time, we will use a variable from our app that returns the current day. Let's add an H2 title, followed by a paragraph with a short description. Next, we'll add a table from our app. Here we select the top 10 customers table. You can choose to include the entire table or select individual columns. In this case, we'll select individual columns for more flexibility in formatting. In this example, we'll hide the table header and use the TH tag to format it. This is useful if you want to apply CSS styling later. When done, let's run a preview. As you can see, the table is now included in the report. Now, let's add another title for the next section. Here we want to include some charts as images. In this example, we want to display two charts side by side. We'll add an HTML table and apply some formatting to it. Select the Chart tab and click Add Chart. Then select the chart you want to include in the report. First, we'll add the Sales by Product pie chart. Then we add another table data tag and insert the Sales over Time combo chart. Now let's set the alignment and width percentage. Let's run a report preview. As you can see, the charts are now included in the report. Now, let's add a level to the report. Levels let you repeat report elements for each value in a field or row in a table, allowing you to create filtered sections with specific data and charts. In this case, we select Continent and place the level before the chart table. Including the field tag places it between the level tags and displays the corresponding field value in the report. Let's place the level tags at the appropriate location and make sure the charts are inside the level sections so they repeat correctly for each field value. Let's use an H3 tag to format the continent name. Now let's save the report and run a report preview. As you can see, each level now contains charts for different continents. Let's do some simple formatting for the title and date. In this case, we want to center align them. When done, save the template. We're now ready to use it in a report task. Give your report task a title and add the report you just created. Then click Next. In the report output, name your report and fill in any other required options. Then click Next. In the Recipients section, let's use a group. This will resolve the group tag in the report title. Select the HTML report option and then select your template. When done, click Next. Let's keep the option to send the report when the data is refreshed and click Save. You can also manually run the report by selecting Send Now. When users receive the email, the report will be displayed in the email body. As you can see, the tag and the current day variable have been correctly resolved. If you want to send a report as an email attachment instead, you can include more advanced HTML and CSS styles. In this case, the recipient tags won't be interpreted, so we'll remove them. When creating a task, choose the Subject and Body Message option. Here you can add an email message and the report will be sent as an attachment. When users receive the email, the report will appear as an attachment, including all the advanced styling you've added. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.